Party people! Brace yourselves for a mind-blowing journey where nanotech collides with hip-hop. I'm your host, and welcome to Nanotech Raps, the comedy of poppin' pills and droppin' rhymes. Guess what's cooking? Scientists have whipped up a pill promising to transform you from a bathroom rapper to a legit mic dropper. Nanotech and CRISPR, packed into one tiny pill. It's like the Avengers, but for your rap dreams. Picture this. Tiny robot ninjas, nanobots, cruising through your body like hip-hop theme park tour guides. They're hitting all the spots that make you a lyrical genius. Forget a rhyme dictionary, you've got nanobots on your side. And then there's CRISPR, the gene editing wizard. It's like photoshopping your DNA. No red eye removal here. We're talking about snipping out the genes that make you rhyme like a toddler at a poetry slam. Pop this pill and voila! Suddenly you're spitting rhymes like you've been a hip-hop prodigy since diapers. It's magic, but instead of a wand, you've got a pill bottle. Now check this out! The rap transformation! People taking this pill are reporting superpowers like understanding rhythm like a human metronome, dropping rhymes smoother than butter on a hot skillet, and a vocabulary so fire that Shakespeare would be jealous. But you know there's always a but, the ethical stuff. Are we ready for a world where everyone's a rap god? Picture your grandma freestyling at Thanksgiving, a hilarious disaster waiting to happen. As we ride this crazy nanotech wave into the future, we're left wondering, will the rap game become a genetic free-for-all? Or will we decide that maybe not everyone needs to be the next Eminem? In the end, it's a wild mix of beats, genes, and laughs. Whether you're on Team Nanotech or Team Natural Rhymes, one thing's for sure. The future of hip-hop is looking more like a science experiment than ever before. Ready for more laughs and beats? Hit that subscribe button, 'cause we're just getting started.